I'm Dwayne Hill, Managing Director of Haith Group. We're here on stand 220 in Hall 2 at British Potato 2025. We've got the Superfill 600 box filler Generation 2, Horizontal Debris Remover, and outside on OS3 we've got our latest mobile washer which we sold to RS Cockerell. Starting with a new Generation 2 Superfill 600. This is the latest version of our original patented 600 box filler with the unique 3-belt system. So you've got the central cross belt which doesn't have any flight, so the crop lands on a flat belt that reverses to the 2 filling heads. One head can be finishing off filling the box and then the other one is preparing to fill the next box, and the central conveyor just has to reverse. That can make a difference on our 400 machine and the competitors' machines of up to 20 boxes per hour. So we can achieve 60 boxes per hour with this twin filler. We've moved the HMI up here for easy use, and we've got an all-new rack-and-pinion direct drive system. So all chains and sprockets have been removed, making this machine super reliable and maintenance friendly. This particular version has the PVC blue flighter belt, so for washed crop. We also do a PVG option and a black rubber belt with door stops. And down here you can see the sensor arrangement. There's a double sensor for low and high settings, and we have this pendulum motion unique to the Haith machine. That means that the sensors are always looking straight to where the belt is facing. You don't pick up the box by accident, so that means that there's always a level fill when the box is being filled. So here we have the Horizontal Debris Remover, one of the soil extractor options in our range. This one's got the rubber pintle belt, very gentle on the crop and extremely effective at removing soil, small stones and haulm. The crop travels along in this direction and is diverted with the stainless steel self-cleaning roller to the chute to go to the next process, where all the debris carries on and can be taken away with a waste belt or directly into a skip. This machine comes in 900mm and 1200mm width options. On our outside stand, OS3, we've got the latest stainless steel mobile washer with integrated super flume destoner. The intake conveyor is currently folded in for transport, and the destoner elevator is in transport mode. We've got the unique slewing ring, so the elevator can slew round in the working position. The in-feed conveyor then pushes out on a pneumatic cylinder, all controlled from the HMI. This machine takes about 10 minutes to set up when you get to a new site. Then we've got the 4.5 metre 1200 self-cleaning barrel with the screw and sludge removal elevator. We've then got the floating debris remover, so that'll take away mother tubers, haulm, and any foreign objects that float will come out there. The crop continues on the web and into the inspection cabin. This is a fully insulated cabin. We've got heating, radio, all the comforts there for the operators picking off on the inspection table. We also do an optional optical sorter. This machine's got a chute that will feed directly onto the conveyor load into the next process, and you can also have a reversible conveyor. So here we are showcasing one of the most innovative grading systems we have delivered to date. It's got the Quantatip box tipping system, built on the original market-leading rotor tip. We can put in 2 full boxes. The machine will automatically decant those boxes, tip them one at a time and restack the 2 empties for the forklift to take away, so dramatically reducing forklift movements. Then we go into soil extraction. We've got options of webs, evolution cleaners, coils, and then we go to the next stage where we have a screen grading system with easy change screens with the overhead crane, filling the boxes by the Quantafill box filling heads with weighing, and then the crop goes from the screen graders onto a NewTek Celox optical grader, which does that fine sort of the final grades, again, before they're filled with the Quantafill grading heads. If you've got any interest in this kind of grading system or any variation, we'd be happy to talk to you, so please get in touch with our sales team. So finally, over here you can see one of our latest mobile on-farm graders. This one's 2.4 meters wide, and it's incorporating a flick-vert optical sorter. There's no inspection on this one, but that is an option if you require it. So we've got the high capacity mobile grading system with optical sorter feeding the latest Quantafill box filler. So again, you can put the 2 empty boxes in, the machine will weigh and fill the boxes and stack the 2 full ones for the forklift to take away. If you'd like to know any more about any of the products that we've had on display here, or you didn't get a chance to catch up with us, come and visit us and look on the website www.haith.co.uk.